Yeah. The streets getting hot, we rise or we fall. Sisters and brothers, we stand tall through it all. Yeah. Yeah, let's get the block is burning, tempers flare and ignite. Looking at each other like foes in the night. Brothers from another mother, can we pull together? In this game of life, find love that lasts forever. Thought I could trust and gave my heart on the plate, only to find out loyalty dipped in hate. Betrayed by those I thought were ride or die, but every fade out's a chance to testify. We rise from the ashes, from the pain we learn. Life's a chapter, see the tables turn. Through the storm we get burned but healed. Together we stand united for real. United for real. It's crazy how life twists, who's with you and who's not. Friends turn to ghosts, feeling left in the rock. But don't lose sight, life still holding cards. Found love in places that caught me off guard. New bonds form like gold, relationships refined. Overcoming battles, now with one of a kind. Reflect on the past and take pride in your book. The best parts unwritten, just take a look. Distance is healing when the love turns to doubt. You don't have to fight, sometimes the peace walks out. Choose to let go instead of clinging real tight. Let the light in, we shine through the night. We rise from the ashes, from the pain we learn. Life's a chapter, see the tables turn. Through the storm we get burned but healed. Together we stand united for real. United for real. The heat rising, but we gotta keep cool. Sisters and brothers, love's our golden rule. Keep writing your story, let the best part unfold.